Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Maps offline. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps and there is nothing special that you have to do or you should do. The only one thing that you should be careful about it, that you need to be or you need to have, like on offline maps, the place that you want to use the Google Maps on. So for example, I already downloaded like Google Maps for my actual city. So even if I'm online on my city, I can use Google Place on that place or that space. But if I want to, or I'm visiting another city and that the map of the other city is not downloaded on my phone, I can't use it offline. So for example, if I'm going to visit another city, for example, the city of Sousse in Tunisia, I need to go there and download offline map like this, so I can use it in that city. Because when you download a map in Google Maps, you are not downloading all the maps of the world, but you are downloading just the map that you selected to one or maximum 2 or 3 cities, but not all the country and not all the world. And that's what you should be careful about. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. See you in the next one.